one inequality, one number line. Here's how to collect all of them. Let's go. The question says solve for x, 3 minus 2x less than or equal to 9 plus x over 2. Then part B, we're asked to draw a number line, which is 1 mark. Step 1, the question is 3 minus 2x less than or equal to 9 plus x over 2. First thing we do is to clear the fraction. To do that, we multiply everything by 2. So we multiply the left-hand side by 2, and we multiply the right-hand side by 2. So 2, we multiply everything in the brackets. So 2 times 3 is 6, minus 2 times 2x is 4x, less than or equal to 2 times 9 is 18, plus 2 divided by x over 2. So 2 we cancel 2, so we have x. So this is our new equation. So next we collect like terms. So we move plus x to the left, it becomes minus x. So we have minus 4x minus x less than equal to. We move plus 6 to my right, it becomes minus 6. So we have 18 minus 6. So we have left, what we have left is minus 4x minus x will give us negative 5x. If you want to know how to do that, you can click the video on your top left. Less than or equal to 18 minus 6 is 12. So next is to divide both sides by negative 5. Now, to divide by a negative number, we have to flip this sign. So it becomes negative 5x over negative 5. This sign we flip becomes greater than or equal to 12 over negative 5. So you have to remember that. Remember, we are dividing inequalities by negative. It has to flip the sign. So negative 5 cancel negative 5. So we have x greater than or equal to negative 5 divided by 12 will give us negative 2.4. So that is our final answer. So it means that x is greater than or equal to negative 2.4. 2 marks collected. To find part B, we have to draw the number line to illustrate our answer. Remember our answer is x greater than or equal to negative 2.4. So first we draw the number line. We start from the center. This is 0. So we can call this is 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. We can call this minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Now our number line is ready. Our answer is x is greater or equal to negative 2.4. Now, because it's greater equal to, we use a closed circle at negative 2.4. So if this is negative 2, so our negative 2.4 will be somewhere around this part. So we'll mark it. So here's our negative 2.4. So right here, we use our closed circle. This is called a closed circle because it is greater than or equal to. Now, because it's greater than, we draw our arrow from the negative 2.4 to the right. If it was a less than or equal to, we draw our arrow our line to the left. So because it is greater than or equal to, we take our ruler. So we put our line right here. And we draw the line from the negative 2.4. We draw a line straight down to the right. So then you add your arrow on it. So this is our number line illustrating that x is greater than or equal to negative 2.4. That is your full 1 mark. I am Basic to Tech. Follow for more.